Check out this 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche LTZ. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear head airbag, MP3 player, remote engine start, floor mats, power passenger seat, passenger vanity mirror, climate control, heated front seat, and stability control. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.